Hey guys, I hope you guys are about to enjoy the video that you're about to watch. And if you guys want to get access to awesome trades like this that me and Hayden post on a regular basis, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Now remember, we're not always going to win them, but we're going to make some great gains along the way. Feel free to check out the profit and loss history on my website. Peace. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades as per usual. And right now we just printed a new weekly candle for Bitcoin. We again made a new nominal high on Bitcoin, and we actually are red so far for the time being, but that doesn't mean the price is going to crash anytime soon, because we are still very bullish until we take out some key levels that I've illustrated right here on WaveEdge. And then again, we'll take a look at this in just a few moments, but overall, let's take a look at our count here on Elliott Wave. And so far, nothing has really changed because Bitcoin has basically done nothing for the last couple of weeks. It's just been consolidating at the highs. And right now, we are most likely going to get a dip back down, in my opinion, and we're going to probably come back down to this buy area that I've illustrated right here. Starting from 31,900 all the way down to 29,800. But I think that once we get to the beginning of the buy area, we're going to see a lot of buyers step in because there's a lot of bullishness in this space right now. And if we take a look here at our bearish count, which would be, the bearish scenario where Bitcoin gets some really bad news, maybe the ETF is delayed or something, something happens in the traditional markets, and we really see a significant market sell-off, like a gap down and 4 to 5% sell-offs, then yeah, in that case, Bitcoin may very well fail this bounce and go significantly lower. Okay, so that's essentially it. And nothing really to add there. I know some people are very bullish right now, and they don't think the price is ever going to go down. But I mean, you just look at what the market in general. Nothing goes up forever in one direction. You're always going to get pullbacks, backing and filling, and that's just natural, right? So again, just open your eyes and just accept that things don't go up forever. We've had a wonderful run. You could definitely take some profit on your Bitcoin trades. I wouldn't be selling any of my long-term Bitcoin at all. And again, this is something I always illustrate in this channel, is that we're making short-term price predictions with money that we're trading with, right? Not money that we're investing with. Money that we're trading with means something that we're willing to bet on short-term price action and maybe take some losses or make some amazing gains, right? Something you invest with is probably something you want to hold for long term. And on my stack of Bitcoin, I'm not selling it, and I keep accumulating on the dips. I just don't really know why people are always selling their long-term holdings here and then try to buy back lower. That's just nonsensical to me. All right, so you'll never want to sell your stacks, your long-term holdings and stuff like that, and speculate with. It's to invest and hold. Anyways, moving on, let's take a look here at our new weekly candle that we just printed on the Bitcoin chart. And right now we have a 3 and an 11. A -3 and an 11 on the dual band strength index. We still got increasing green money flow, so that is really good to see. The 3-day time frame now has a red dot. The 4-day is about to print one pretty soon. The 2-day has already printed one, and the 1-day, again, it's still increasing in green money flow. So that probably tells me why this dip that we're probably going to get, or if we do get it, is going to be a very nice buying the dip opportunity. Unless we get some pretty detrimental news and the price completely fails and keeps going lower. So overall, things are looking good. Just be ready for a potential buying opportunity that's coming. We got green money flow on almost every time frame now. I think even the monthly time frame has green money flow. Yep, it's got green money flow as well. And we actually have a -5 and a 15 on the dual band strength index. So again, a lot of things are looking very bullish right now for Bitcoin. Now let's take a look here at WaveEdge. So WaveEdge, again, we printed a new weekly candle here. Let me just get over to a nice little chart, fresh chart. No new signals on WaveEdge, no long opportunities and no short opportunities. Your long opportunity on the weekly time frame was essentially at 25,000, and we've had a tremendous run since then, 34%. Now we do have some red crosses here on some shorter time frames, like the 2-day. And again, so the thumbnails that you guys are seeing that I keep posting on YouTube, those ones are actually the 2-day time frame that I've been posting. But the problem is it's not even the problem. It's the thing is that the 2-day time frame needs to confirm, right? We need 22 more hours to confirm this a sell signal from the whales here, to confirm a potential larger top, as we've seen before, right? The 2-day time frame has illustrated significant tops in the Bitcoin price, even here. Although we did get a little bit of a pump and then a bit of a retrace, and so another one right here, and then the price came down about 22%. But overall, right now, we have not confirmed that the last 1 to 2 candles here, these last 2 candles, we were getting the signal, but it just failed to confirm because there was so much buying. There's so much buying right now. So there's a lot of people that are loading their bags at the moment. So that's why I think we need to flush them out back down to 31,000 to 32,000 before we take our next leg higher, back to 42,000, which is going to be an amazing move. Like, this is going to be like a 30 to 25% move if we do get it. Okay, so that's just going to be a really nice buying opportunity if it does happen. But if it doesn't happen, then, you know, oh well, or we still have our long-term holdings, and it's going to move up very nicely. Daily time frame, no new signals, but we do actually have many red crosses that we've been getting here. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 sell signals from whales. So we're seeing that the whales are still unloading near the highs. 4-hour time frames, the shorter time frames, you guys can trade within this range here that I actually drew out. So right now, you guys can see we're essentially inside this channel. If you want to be longing, you want to be longing with at the bottom of this channel with a tight stop, a stop loss essentially run underneath it. And if you're, you know, trying to short, then you could probably try to short the last previous pivot around 36,000 that we do have. And there is some liquidity here. I checked on Bookmax, so that, again, there's liquidity to be taken up here. So it's very possible that the price could still pump up 3%, grab that liquidity, and then come back down. Okay, and then after that, there's the top of the channel, which is essentially 36,300. And again, if we break out of this channel, then it's just, we may go straight up to 42K. And if that's the case, then it's going to be a very bullish week. Okay, so again, that basically, you know, wraps it up for me. I don't have much to add. If you guys want to join the Discord, links in the description. You guys get access to all these trades that I'm posting. Again, I'm actually currently in a small short right now. 35,200 was my entry. And again, we made some nice little trades throughout last week as well, but it should be picking up this week. All right, so let's keep going. And actually, no, that's about it. I don't have anything to add. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.